GE Aerospace secures major engine order for Polish Armed Forces Apache helicopters. GE Aerospace has announced an order for 210 T-700 engines to power 96 Boeing AH-64E Apache Guardian helicopters for the Polish Armed Forces. The contract marks a significant step in expanding Poland's defense capabilities and strengthening ties between GE Aerospace and the Polish Ministry of National Defense. Amy Gowder, President and CEO of Defense and Systems at GE Aerospace, praised the T-700 engine's performance. This engine is the engine of choice for medium-sized helicopters with its exceptional performance, reliability, and durability, she stated, highlighting the engine's established reputation in demanding environments worldwide. This order builds on a cooperative agreement signed in August 2024 between GE Aerospace and the Polish Ministry of National Defense. As part of the agreement, Wojciechowski Zakłady Lotnicze NR1 SA. WZL1 in Dublin will provide licensed maintenance, repair, and overhaul MRO support for the T-700 engines. The Military University of Technology in Warsaw will manage engine training for technicians and personnel to ensure comprehensive support for the Polish helicopter fleet. The collaboration will foster advanced training and sustainment infrastructure for the Polish Armed Forces. With the new engine depot and training capabilities established in country, Poland will bolster its self-reliance and security of supply for the T-700 CT-7 engine line across its military platforms. The T-700 CT-7 engine family has a proven record of excellence, powering 15 types of military and civilian aircraft. Over 25,000 engines have been delivered worldwide, amassing over 130 million flight hours, including service in extreme conditions like Iraq and Afghanistan. In Europe alone, more than 1,300 engines have been delivered or ordered for 20 military and paramilitary operators. This latest deal underscores the enduring partnership between Poland and GE Aerospace. It also paves the way for future collaborations, including potential support for GE Aerospace's combat engines such as the F-110, F-414, and F-404.